Goswami usually breaks down and analyzes all the Sanskrit words quite minutely, whereas Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, or Chakravarti Pad, in his tikas and commentaries, he more concentrates on the Rasa Swaran and the actual mentalities and feelings and bhavas being exchanged, without so much going into minute details and explanations and multiple explanations of the Sanskrit words. This word can mean this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And Vishwanath Chakravarti stays on the point. It's all Madhurya Vichar, everything related to Radha and Krishna. So then this word is there in verse number 12, in the first line, first pada, Bahum Priyamsa Upadhaya. Bahum Priyamsa Upadhaya. Upadhaya. Upadhaya means Krishna's resting his bahu, his arm, on his priya amsha, his part, his most beloved part. Amsh means part, jivamsh. So Radharani is Krishna's, the priya, when we say priyamsh in Sanskrit, the priya is priyaji Radharani. So bahum priyamsha upadhaya. Krishna's resting his arm. But then, because upadhaya means resting, but resting, there's so many words for resting the arm on the shoulder one can use. But upadhaya has a particular slight different meanings, like we say tweaking. So Jiva Goswami brings that out, says the prefix upa is daya. Daya means to rest or to lay. So upadaya means to gently rest. Like two brothers meet after a long time. Hey brother! And one puts the arm around the other, and it's kind of it's like wrestling. It's a firm, you put your arm on the shoulder of the friend and like this. But Krishna is, this is my priya, so Jiva Goswami makes a very nice point. Because Radharani's shoulder is tender, Krishna places his arm there lightly. It's like, because Krishna's arm holds up Giriraj. Giriraj Dharan Teri Sharan Ki Jai.